Okay, so we are going to Agomacha waterfall now. I have right in front of me Nana. Nana, say hi. Yeah, I have Nuria. Nuria, are you there? And then yeah, Tracy. Tracy, what's up? Okay, so I can still see Judah. Judah is the girls. As usual, he's a girl, so he's with the girls. And yeah, the waterfall. Nice scenery. Fantastic forest here. So take Charlie. I don't know what to do myself, man. I'm just gonna go there and chill out. Charlie, what's up, man? All right.
Really having fun. Yeah, so we are having fun here. Yeah.
You're going to the water, right? Yeah.